Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Demon Form in Pillars of Eternity 2. This potent shapeshifting ability is a cornerstone for many spellcasting builds, offering immense power. You unlock Demon Form by selecting the Demonic Possession node within the Infernalist Ascendancy tree. Once acquired, simply activate the skill to transform into your powerful demonic state, ready to unleash devastating spells. Once in demon form, you'll experience substantial boosts to your spellcasting. You gain a 25% increase to your cast speed, allowing for rapid spell delivery. Furthermore, all your spell skills receive a significant bonus of 6 levels, enhancing their power and effectiveness. You also deal 18% more spell damage for each stack of Demon Flame you accumulate, making you increasingly destructive.
Finding the right sheet music is crucial for your journey. Many websites offer free, simplified arrangements of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate themes. Look for versions marked Easy or Beginner to ensure they match your skill level. Don't hesitate to adapt more complex pieces by focusing on the main melody and basic chords, making them playable for you.
To truly optimize your demon form build, focus on specific gear and synergies. Seek items that grant plus levels to all spell skills, with a bonus of 6 being ideal, and prioritize life regeneration. Energy shield conversion, perhaps with Ghost Writhe, or life recovery on kill from jewels, can greatly aid sustain. Lightning spells such as Ball Lightning or Arc are excellent choices, leveraging the form's cast speed and spell damage bonuses for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.